In any circle, the tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. Let us see the circle with center O. Tangent A at M. M is the contact point of the radius and the tangent. Given, let the given circle with center O and radius OM also AB be the tangent to the given circle. M is the point of contact to the circle and tangent. We have to prove M is perpendicular. MO is perpendicular to AB. Construction. If possible, let OM is not perpendicular to AB, so that draw OT perpendicular to AB intersecting the circle at R. Statements proof. Statements reason. Statement 1. Angle OTM equal to 90 degree. From construction, OM is greater than OT. Opposite sides of any right angle triangle is the largest side. Statement 3. OM equal to OR. Radii of the same circle are concurrent or equal. Statement 4. OT equal to OR plus RT from whole part axiom. H smaller part is less than the greater part. OM greater than OR plus RT. OM equal to OR plus RT from statements 2 and 4. 6. OM is greater than OM plus RT. 6 from statements 3 and 5. Statement 7. 0 is greater than RT from 7. Putting OM in statement 6 from both subtracting OM in statement 6 from both sides. Since RT is less than 0, RT is less than 0. RT is the length of the any line segment, which is not possible. Length of any line segment is never less than 0 or negative, which is not possible, which leads to contradicts our supposition. Therefore, our supposition is wrong. As a result, OM is perpendicular to the tangent. OM means radius. OM is perpendicular to the tangent as AB. Hence, proved. This proof of complete of the theorem. In any circle, prove that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. Let us see the given. Let us drawing given figure and reason to prove this theorem.